It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from my favorite clothing brand, Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.
If you all keep up with me on Instagram, Margarita the Perfumista, then you will know that Bombshell is my jam. Hey, if you follow me here on YouTube, you'll know that as well, because every week I bring you a review of one of their products. Something about the brand just really rubs me the right way. Click the like button if you like that brand as well. Anywho, they just released a new collection just last week, the Barbell Collection, and I am here to bring it to you first. So I will start with the legging. I got it in, of course, red, because y'all know I like the bright colors. It does come in other colors as well, but the red spoke to me. And my typical size is a size small. Just for reference, I'm 5'3" and 138 pounds. Size small typically fits me very well, even in the leg. The legs are a bit snug, but it's not too tight. I have tried a medium in some of their items, and those do well as well. My only concern is the waist. So the waist on their pants is designed technically to be cinched. However, when you put it on, it still could stand to be a little tighter, in my opinion. But let's talk about the new details they added, shall we? I love that they have removed the front seam from their leggings. Oh my goodness. Ladies, if you know about that camel toe problem, listen, no more. They removed the seam, which eliminates that altogether. These pants do not have a crotch gusset, however, so something to keep in mind. You do have a back seam. So if your pants have a tendency to ride up, you may still have a little bit of that issue, but at least you won't have that issue in the front. Now the waistband is so cute. It's got a metal placard here that says Bombshell on it right in the center. And then they have this slider barbell. It looks like a little doggy bone too, but it's a barbell and you can slide it back and forth. It doesn't really do anything as far as function is concerned. It's just a nice decorative piece. It would be cool if they had it on either side just to offer some symmetry, but no big deal. The waist is kind of high, but not too high to where it looks like you're wearing a weightlifter belt. We'll talk about that in another review of a product that I ordered that I'm sending back. But in the back, it does have the point to kind of draw the eye downward a little bit to the top of the butt. It's got side pockets, great for storing your phone or keys or scrunchies. It's only got the one on the right leg. The left leg does not have a pocket. I would think they would put a pocket on both sides again, just for symmetry. I'm all about symmetry. The fabric is nice and stretchy and very firm. I wouldn't necessarily call it a compression fabric. However, it probably could be. It's borderline. It is very firm, very taut. The length of the leg is fine. And these actually do not have the B on the bottom of the leg. Typically, their pants have a B on one of the legs, and they have not put that on this one. I don't know if they're getting away from that altogether or if it's just for this particular style. But I do like it. I like these pants. I am keeping them. Yesterday was leg day and I wore them for that. And they are squat proof. They are band proof. They are run proof. You can do a lot in these leggings and they will maintain composure, if you will. Now, let's talk about the sports bra. I love a good matched set. So I ordered the sports bra as well. What sold me on it was not the front of it, because honestly, the front is rather boring and I wish it had more design details. But the strappy back, oh my goodness, I absolutely loved it. It's so feminine and it gives it some cool dimension. It also has this slidey barbell. I keep wanting to call it a bone because it looks like a doggy bone. Let me know in the comments if you think this looks like a dog bone too, but it's a barbell and it slides up and down. Again, it does not serve a purpose. It's not functional. It's just decorative. And honestly, it's probably not even necessary on this because it's just on your back. It's kind of weird. They crisscross at the top, almost like they have this new bodysuit that came out, not the sculpted, the form. It's kind of like the form bodysuit. If you know how that shoulder setup is, this is about the same as that. The straps are beautiful, and I love the strap straight across the back that has the Bombshell placard. Again, this is not functional. It is decorative, and I don't know if it slides. I don't want to mess it up. It might slide, I don't know, but it doesn't adjust. So these are not adjustable straps, but these are very cute straps. I will show some pictures here of me wearing this set so you can get an idea. If they had more colors, and by more colors, I mean more obnoxious colors, because y'all know I love some loud colors. If this came out in a bright pink, in a yellow or an orange, or even a print, I would be all over it. I was reluctant to even get this red one only because it's single color and the red is not as vibrant as I'd like it to be. Now this is a candy apple red, so it is a true red. It looks really good against my skin tone. The other colors were just a bit boring, in my opinion, for me, especially at the price point. If you're going to spend this much on something, you want to make sure that people can see it, all right? Let me know in the comments if you want to be seen in your bombshell. Oh, I forgot to mention, they also have t-shirts that came out with this collection. I did not order any of them, and here's why. I ordered a couple of their t-shirts last week and I sent them back because they are enormous. I even ordered the extra small. The shirts fit so loose and so unflatteringly that I had to send it back. I wanted to like it because I love a good crop t-shirt, but they're just so wide. I do believe that Bombshell caters to a market that has a larger chest. Most of their items, especially the jumpsuits, the rompers, and the bodysuits, and their t-shirts all cater to women who have larger chests. For reference, I'm a 32D, so I'm a smaller chested person. So if you have a smaller chest, I recommend in the sports bras going for a size small. I wear a size small. You may even want to go for an extra small if you have a slimmer bodice up top. Otherwise, you're going to be swimming in that thing. The same thing is true for even their smallest t-shirts. They fit huge. I would recommend that unless you are someone who has breasts that project outward significantly, don't even bother with their t-shirts, even an extra small. This is my personal opinion based on my own try on, based on what I've seen. And even if you look at the models, you'll see how they pose themselves in a way to make the shirt look good. But if they were to stand regularly, they would be swallowed up in those shirts. But let me know, have you even tried their t-shirts or any t-shirts from the Barbell Collection specifically? I do like them as far as the design, as the prints and the logos and the slogans are so cute. But that fit, and you all know, number one thing when you pick a garment is the fit. If it doesn't fit right, everything else is out the window. But until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.